The StudSensor WM5 stud finder from Zircon quickly and easily finds the edges of studs through interior walls up to 1 layer of drywall deep. Used to find studs to securely hang pictures, mirrors, shelves, and more. Before use, install a brand new 9-volt alkaline battery with an extended expiration date at least 3 years beyond the current date. Place the tool on the surface. Press and hold the power button. The ready light will illuminate and indicate when the tool is ready for scanning. Move the tool slowly across the wall. When the tool locates the edge of the stud, the edge light will illuminate and a tone will sound. Mark this edge. Continue sliding the tool across until the light goes out. Without releasing the power button, reverse direction to find the other edge. Mark this edge. The center of the stud where you'll want to hang your object is between the two marks. If scanning begins directly over a stud, the tool will emit a continual beep to indicate a calibration error. Simply move the tool a few inches to the left or right and begin your scan again. Buy your WM5 today.